Picture this. A severe hailstorm rips through Texas. Your commercial complex or roof sustains hundreds of thousands, maybe millions, in structural damage. You pay your premiums on time every single month, so you file your claim expecting fair treatment. Then the insurance company's adjuster arrives, spends 20 minutes on your roof, and hands you a check that barely covers a fraction of the actual repairs, or worse, denies the claim entirely, calling it pre-existing wear and tear. Welcome to the insurance company's playbook. Delay, deny, and undervalue. Here's how policyholders across Texas and Oklahoma can hold insurance carriers accountable and force them to pay what you are rightfully owed. Insurance companies are not in the business of paying out full claims out of goodwill. They are multi-billion-dollar corporations focused on protecting their bottom line. In Texas, bad faith insurance tactics often look like this: unreasonable delays, dragging out investigations for months, hoping you'll get desperate and settle for pennies, false denials, labeling obvious hail impact microfractures as lack of maintenance or manufacturing defects, severe undervaluing, using lowball internal software to price materials far below current market rates. Under the Texas Insurance Code, insurance companies are required by law to act in good faith and adhere to strict timelines. When they break those rules, they aren't just being difficult. They may be committing illegal bad faith. Question 1. What is the very first thing I should do after a storm? Document everything immediately before making permanent repairs. Take clear photos and videos of roof surfaces, HVAC units, siding, and interior leaks. Call a local reputable contractor for a real damage assessment. But do not sign away your claim rights to a contractor before consulting a public adjuster or legal expert. Question 2. What if the adjuster says the damage is just cosmetic or wear and tear? This is the single most common denial excuse in Texas hail claims. Hail impact weakens the structural integrity of membranes, shingles, and metal panels, causing leaks down the road. Insurance adjusters work for the carrier, not you. At StormLex Law Group, we bring in independent forensic engineers to prove the real scope of storm damage. Question 3. How long does my insurer have to process my claim under Texas law? Texas has strict statutory deadlines under the Texas Insurance Code. Generally, carriers must acknowledge your claim within 15 days, make a coverage decision within 15 business days of receiving all requested documents, and pay within 5 business days after approving the claim. If they drag their feet without a valid legal reason, they may be acting in bad faith. Question 4. Why is the insurance estimate so much lower than my contractor's bid? Carriers frequently use outdated pricing databases and leave out essential scope items like code upgrades, overhead and profit, or full roof replacements. If there is a massive gap, do not accept their initial payment as a final settlement. Navigating storm damage in Texas requires aggressive legal pressure. Whether your property was hit by catastrophic hail in North Texas, severe weather along the I-35 corridor, or storm fronts in Oklahoma, you shouldn't have to fight a multi-billion-dollar insurance company on your own. At StormLex Law Group, our lead attorneys, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, Jake Rogiers, and Marco Flores, level the playing field. We leverage aggressive legal strategies against carriers who refuse to honor their contractual duties. If your commercial property or home suffered hail damage, and your insurance company is delaying, denying, or lowballing your claim, don't wait until statutory deadlines pass. Contact StormLex Law Group today at stormlex.com for a free, zero-risk policy and claim evaluation. We work on a contingency basis, meaning you pay nothing unless we recover what you're owed. Don't settle for less than your policy promises. Visit stormlex.com now and let us fight for you.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.